Hello dear children, once again welcome back to the grammar class. So in the previous class we have finished chapter 4 and today we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter 5, joint letters. So what it is children? It's a joint letters. So here you can see some letters when joined with other letters produce a new sound. For example, C joined with L produces a CL sound, as in clock. So, when LOCK is there, so how we will read children? So, LOCK we read as lock. When, for this word, when the C join, then we will read as clock. Isn't it? Yes. So, that is called a joint letters. It gives a different sound. It gives a new sound. Okay. So let's see a more example. Then it will be very clear to you. Okay. Yes. So come to the exercise. The first one is look at the pictures and read the words. Letters printed in red have joint sound. Letters printed in red have joint sound. Pick a new word with the same joint sound from the help box. Write in the space provided. Okay, so here you can see a yellow help box, and what is you have to do exactly is, so here they have given a word with the picture. Okay, so and the first two letters they have given in a red, isn't it? Yes, this red printed is red letters printed have a joint letter. This is what we call it children. These all joint letters. So you can see in the picture, the first picture you can see here, SP, FL, SH, GL, CH, TR, TH, CR, CL, PL, GR, SW, ST, BR. So these all are joint letters. Got it? So these letters we are going to join for the new word so that it will give the new sound. Got it children? Yes. Now come to the exercise. So here you can see the, let's go for the first one. So what it is children? BROOM, broom. Isn't it? So here you can see BR is in a red color. So now what you have to do, the same letters you have to search in the help box so that you will get a new word. Okay. So this joint letter is a BR. So the word we have to search now with the joint letter BR should be there. Got it? Yes. Now BR, search here children, starting with the BR. Yes, here it is. Can you see the word? It is starting with the BR letter. So that means BRUSH, brush. Here you can see the sound of brush, broom. Isn't it? Broom, brush. It's a new sound. So let's write here BRUSH, brush. The next one, CHILD, child. So which is the red color letters children here? Joint letter is a CH. Now what we have to do? We have to search this new letter with joint CH. Okay, starting should be CH there. So where it is? Here you can see in the first word CH is there, isn't it? So chair, 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 CHILD, child. So right here CHAIR, chair. The next one GLASS, glass. So which is the joint letter children here? GL is a joint letter. Now we have to search with the GL. So starting with the GL. Can you see here? GL, yes, here it is. GLUE, glue. GLUE, glue. The next one is SPOON, spoon. SPOON, spoon. Joint letter is a SP. Search with the new word with the SP letter. Okay. So search here SP. You can see a second word SPOT, spot. Right here. SPOT, spot. The next one, plate. PLATE, plate. So PL is a joint letter. So search here PL. Starting with PL. Yes, here it is. Play. PLAY, play. You can observe the sound of the word. It's a totally new sound. It produces the new sounds. When we join a letters, then it produces a new sound. Plate, play. Spoon, spot. Glass, glue. Child, chair. Broom, brush. So you can see differences between a new sound. The next one, sixth one is SHOES, shoes. So SH is the joint letter. So let's search here. SH. Yes, here you can see SHOP, shop. SHOP, shop. Shoes, shop. The next one, stick. STICK, stick. Joint is a stick. ST is the joint letter. So search with the ST letter. ST. Yes, you can see here. Stamp. STAMP, stamp. STAMP, stamp. Stick, stamp. Got it? So here we have finished the first row, joining a new joint letters. Okay, we have searched in the help box and we wrote in the space provided. And the 8 to 14 is your homework. The second row is your homework. You have to complete till 14. Okay, so that is your homework. So look at the first letter and search the same letters in the help box, read and then you write. Okay, don't copy simply, children. While writing, you have to read, you have to pronounce the letters, you have to pronounce the word, then you have to write. If you feel difficulties to pronounce the word, then you can approach your parents. Okay, so see you in the next class, children. Take care and complete the homework and send to me. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.